afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I will save you a lot of money. We do a lot of fun things here. Yeah, we do have a lot of fun. And today, okay, you guys, I can barely breathe. Okay, so this is actually part of my birthday haul, which I'm going to do a series in the future. So we're still working on our birthday freebie videos, you guys. I've been eating free for like over a week. So that's going to take a little while because we have to work our way through the food, if that makes sense. So, first ever Morphe palette that I bought. Okay, you guys, from Ulta. I've never had a Morphe palette. I'm so excited. This is huge. There's 39 shades in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so notice the nails. I only did 2. I'm channeling Jeffree Star today. Hi, Jeffree. We have to go back to work tomorrow and we can't wear these nails at work. But we're going to have fun while we can. Okay, so it's very well packaged. Okay. Alright, we're just going to slide it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys can see it before me, okay? I'm going to open it up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is 39 shades for bright lights and bold nights. You're going to make them dance with this ultimate light show featuring shades curated by artists and creators who know how to bring the party. Okay. So this first one is curated by Bianca Loves Makeup. Excellent. Okay. So this first one is daring, hot stuff. Serve looks for real, attention please, so sassy, extra attitude, and work the room. Okay, so let's do some swatches. Okay, so these are the first 5. This last one right here, it doesn't come out too well. Okay. They go on very smooth. Oh, this one comes out a little bit better. So there you have the first 8 colors. They do go on really smooth. Okay, so the next set is curated by XT Hull. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see these. Let's see. This is Vibin' Flirt Alert, My Type, Hookup, Hot Date, Love Bomb, Makeout Sesh, and Obsessive. So let's do some swatches. Oh, nice. Oh, this one goes on very, very smooth. This one can be more like a base. Ooh, this is probably like my favorite. Oh yes, oh yes. I can't believe how smooth these go on. Oh, very, very nice. Okay, so the next set is these bottom 8. Okay, so this is curated by Kyle Moi. So we have Euphoric, Feeling It, Giving In, So Wild, Rhythm, No Regrets, Live It Up, and Chaos. Okay, so let's dig in. Oh my gosh, look at this. Very, very subtle. This one is probably going to be one of my favorites. Pink, definitely. Yes. Can be another base. That's very pretty. Wow, look at that coverage. Covered that right up. Okay, the next artist is Vic Ram. Let's scooch this over a little bit here. So we have Ghosted, Don't Stop, Reckless, Go All Night, Insomniac, Out Late, 2 a.m. until dawn. Okay, so let's dig in, you guys. First of all, anybody that can wear nails like this every day to work, I envy you. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You could probably use that as a highlighter. This blue, I knew it. Look at that. This pink, oh, you guys. Again, this is my first Morphe palette. No wonder everybody raves about these. Okay. This green, I usually don't like green. Oh yes, look at that. And yellow. And then the black. Nice. Okay, last but not least, we're going to go towards the middle. So this is Beam, Magic Hour, Glow Show, Glitz On, Gleam Big, Strobin, and Halo Effect. Okay. Oh, yes. This could be like a copper base. These are more, I would say, like neutrals, if you will. And they're more silky than the others. Yeah, that one doesn't show up too much, but I love the glitter. This one, these are definitely more subtle, and that's okay. So we're gonna have to try a couple of these out. How's this for up close and personal? Okay, so you know which one I'm going to. This one right here. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. What's them up here? This. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. gonna grab some of the blue. Now that is smooth, darlings. So we're gonna have to do one more. Let's see, what should we pick? Let's do the green. I'm gonna do this one here. I cannot believe how smooth this is. Oh my gosh. So there you have it, our first Morphe palette. Oh my gosh, again, no wonder people rave about their makeup. No wonder Jeffree Star does collaborations with them. It is such great quality makeup. I've never used such smooth eyeshadow in my entire life. It's amazing. It really is. So thanks again, you guys, for watching. I sure do appreciate it. And to all my new subscribers, thanks, you guys. I couldn't do this without you. I really couldn't. And also, too, we're going to be doing a series. We're still, again, in the midst of doing my birthday freebies. Okay, you get presents and food. Okay, and if you go to the movies, you can get free popcorn and a free drink. So. And we're going to be doing a look with this Morphe palette, and then we're going to be doing a separate birthday haul video, because if I put them all together, it would literally probably be like 2 hours, and that's a little bit too long. So thanks again, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Mwah. XO. Okay, girly girl, here is your very own phone cord. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right, so leave the other phone cords alone, okay? All right. Merry Christmas. There you go. You're welcome.